Okay guys, we're gonna make a bread today. These are two lines of ingredients. One for a white bread and one for our chocolate bread. Okay? We'll go over the ingredients later, but we have butter, flour, milk, milk powder, salt, sugar, and yeast. The only difference on this side is I took some of the flour out, added cocoa, and I'm going to take the packet of yeast and I'm going to put most of it in the larger white part and a little bit of it in the chocolate part. Okay, for my white portion of the bread, here we go to start a mixing. All the flour, milk powder, sugar, salt, and I'm going to do 2 teaspoons full of yeast. I'm going to reserve 1 teaspoon from the packet of yeast powder for my chocolate dough. Okay, and start her up. Over here in the bowl, I have my milk and my butter, and what I did was I warmed it up right around 100 degrees. I'm going to mix this up for 12 minutes on a medium, a little higher than medium speed, 3/4 speed. You see, right now it's going to get a little sticky and stick to the side of the bowl, but as the gluten develops, it should come off the sides. And you can see it's starting to come off the side of the bowl, but still has a little ways to go. Beautiful. Let me flour my hands. Pull it off the hook. Nice, sticky, stretchy dough. Okay. Now, we're going to put it in a grease bowl till it doubles up in size. Okay, here we are back, and the only difference that I'm going to do here now is I melted the butter with the milk. I'm going to add the milk powder and the cocoa to the warm milk. Stir it up a little bit. The reason I'm doing this is because the warm milk is going to make the flavor of the cocoa come really, 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 really nice. Okay, now I'm going to put the sugar and the salt. Okay, and we don't even have to clean the bowl, because we're making the same type of bread. That's why I made the white bread first, and now the chocolate. Okay, this one we're going to start mixing just a little bit. And after we get it mixing a little bit, because we want to cool off the milk a little bit, We're going to throw the yeast in. Now we're going to let this go for about 10 minutes. Just about halfway through with the chocolate. Okay, and there is our chocolate now. What we're going to do is we're going to roll out our white. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise to a ½ inch from the top.
1 hour later.
Okay. Now that your Pullman bread has risen, butter the top, slide it closed. We're going to put it into a 350 oven after 25 minutes. And now let's take off the top. Put the thermometer in. (140 degrees). Still has a ways to go. Let's put it back in with the top off. (200 degrees) internal temperature. Here we go.